If you have ever wondered how people are sharing their post comments to their stories, and if you thought that that was with like some kind of magic editing, it's not. You can do it straight from the Instagram app. Now, I want to say this feature was updated about 5 months ago. So if you don't have the most updated version of Instagram downloaded, you're going to want to make sure that you have that downloaded. And if you're still running into issues, let me know because we may need to just clear the junk out of your Instagram app and it looks a little bit different based off if it's an Android or an iPhone. But if you would like to learn how to share an amazing comment, or maybe there was a question left on one of your posts that you want to highlight because others could have that same question, all you do is go to your Instagram app. Now, you can do this either from the notifications, or I would go to the post that you saw that the comment was on. So I'm just going to pick one. And what you'll do is you'll click on the little comment icon. So you'll see it's the one just to the right of the heart. I'm going to tap that. And I'm just going to choose, I could choose Val or Katie. So shout out to Val and Katie for leaving comments. If you have an Android, you will just tap on the comment that you want to share. Or if you have an iPhone, you're going to click and drag to the left. Now, when you drag to the left or when you tap, you're going to get a menu of items. The plus icon with the circle, that means add to story. If you wanted to pin the comment to the top, this is why I say when you guys are leaving comments on other people's accounts, make it like pin worthy, where someone would want to pin it to the top. And then that helps grow your visibility with your name at the top of that comment section. But the exclamation point, that's like if you want to report a comment, let's say it was like inappropriate or something, and then delete, you can always delete anyone's comment. So I'm going to click tap to story. And now I can move, I can put my two fingers and pinch in to make it smaller, to change the angle. Maybe I want to put it at the top. And all I'm doing is showcasing the comment that was left on this post. And so it's that easy, guys. Remember, goal is to do at least 3 story posts a day. You want to evenly space them out. I love when the first one of the day is kind of your vlog of just kind of what you got going on, or maybe you're working on a file that is causing mental gymnastics for calculating income. It's just kind of the day in the life of what you do. It doesn't always just have to be work. Maybe it's you're driving your kids to a camp or whatever it may be. But it's a way for people to feel connected with you where it doesn't have to be aesthetically pleasing or match the brand because it doesn't live permanently on your newsfeed. It's just in the stories and it lasts for 24 hours. It's also a great way to incorporate some of the story stickers, which I have done other videos on. But if you guys need a refresher on how to add like a poll sticker to make it interactive where you can collect, good information or ask people to, at what rate would interest rates need to drop to for you to consider selling? These are all just great strategies to make it easy for people to engage with you. And just like we have a goal of commenting on at least 20 stories a day, this is why you should also be creating stories, because it just makes it easy for people to start a conversation. And not everyone wants that to be public on a news feed. A lot of times when we're looking at news feeds, it's almost like we're scrolling TV or TV channel surfing in the old days, and people just don't really like and comment as much. And a lot of the content we create is about financial literacy or credit or how to buy your first home. And, there's discretion. People don't always want that publicly. So put yourself in the path of opportunity by posting on your stories and highlight those fans that do comment or do have great questions and make that an easy way to get one of your story posts in. So if you have more questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to help, and y'all have a great weekend. Take care.